Do you want to see comments on your Instagram story? You can view all comments on your Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to see comments on Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To view all the comments on your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top of your profile, find and tap on your profile picture to view your current story. Make sure you have an active Instagram story. While viewing your story, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This will display a list of people who have responded to your story, along with any interactions such as views or reactions. You will see all the comments on your story under the comments section. From here, you can reply to a specific comment one by one by tapping on the reply button. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and respond to Instagram story comments.